Hello guys and welcome back to our channel AutoZone India. Today we'll talk about the top selling cars in June 2020. But before that, those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe AutoZone India and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can never ever miss any of my motor updates. Talking about the race of June sales 2020, Tata manages to be in an 10th position with an total sale units of 4069. Talking about the car starts with a price tag of around 4.69 lakhs, comes with an petrol option, seating capacity is 5, it comes with a manual and automatic transmission, engine capacity is 1199cc, the car claims a mileage of around 19.8 km per liter, NCAP ratings is around 4 star out of 5. On the 9th position, the very promising car of the year, Hyundai Venue. It clocks the units of around 4129. The car comes under the compact SUV segment. It has an NCAP rating of 4, available in petrol and diesel option. It gives you an sunroof. Seating capacity is 5. Mileage claimed is around 18 to 19 kilometers per liter. On the 8th position, the car is Maruti Celerio with the figures of around 4145. This car is about to discontinue, but surprisingly this car is doing well. It comes with an options of an petrol and CNG. It's good with an average. If you consider the mileage of this car is around 25 to 26 km per liter, and due to the huge network of an Maruti, this car is doing very well. On the 7th position, it's Maruti Baleno. Another Maruti takes up the slot in the top sellers of the month. This time the Baleno premium hatchback has sold around 4300 units. On the 6th positions is India's favorite and compact SUV, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Eventually it's my favorite SUV. The SUV has clocked to sold up around 4542 units. The gap between the 5th and the 6th best selling car of June is nearly 1300 units. As a result, the Brezza is also the best selling sub 4 meter SUV of June. Talking about the 5th top selling car of the June 2020, it's Maruti Suzuki Dzire. Dzire managed to sold around 5834 units. This car has sold over 1000 units fewer than the hatchback. The Dzire has slipped down from the best 3rd seller position in May to 5th seller position in June. The Maruti Wagoner comes under the 4th position of top selling car in June. It has sold around 6972 units, which also made it the best selling compact hatchback of the month. On the 3rd position, again the favorite SUV of the Indian market, Kia Seltos. It managed to sell around 7114 units. It's just 93 units behind Hyundai Creta. On the 2nd position, yes dear friends, you had guessed it right, it's Hyundai Creta. It has managed to sold around 7207 units. The Hyundai Creta was the second close in the June 2020, given that its starting price is more than the 3 times that of an Alto. It's an impressive recovery for the compact SUV sales. And on the 1st position, it's ours Maruti Alto. The car which has ruled the Indian market for more than a decade managed to sell around 7298 units. So dear friends, I am attaching a sales chart of June 2020 for your reference. You can go through it. Also, if you had liked the video so far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AutoZone India. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to never ever miss any of my motor updates. Also, don't forget to mention your suggestions in the comments. Thank you.